Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of electronics and exploring a powerful tool called the Arduino Uno. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with programming and electronics, the Arduino Uno is a great platform to get started with. It's a microcontroller board that allows you to easily connect and control various electronic components like LEDs, sensors, motors, and more. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of Arduino Uno, including what it is, what you can use it for, and its technical specification. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P chip. It has 14 digital input-output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, and a power jack. It's a very versatile board that can be used for a wide range of projects, from simple LED blinking circuits to complex robots and home automation systems. The Arduino Uno is a popular choice for hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. Here are just a few examples of what you can use it for. Learning electronics. Arduino Uno is a great way to learn about electronics and programming in a fun and hands-on way. There are many tutorials, projects, and resources available online to help you get started. Creating interactive projects. With Arduino Uno, you can create a wide range of interactive projects, such as LED light shows temperature sensors, motion detectors, line following robots, and much more. Prototyping and developing products. Arduino Uno can be used to prototype and develop electronic products before moving on to more advanced manufacturing techniques. Here are some of the key technical specifications of the Arduino Uno. Microcontroller, Atmega 328P, operating voltage, 5 volt, input voltage, recommended, 7 to 12 volt input voltage, limits, 6 to 20 volt digital I/O pins, 14 of which 6 provide PWM output. Analog input pins, 6 DC current per input output pin, 20 mA, DC current for 3.3 volt pin, 50 mA. Flash memory, 32 KB, Atmega 328P, of which 0.5 KB used by bootloader. SRAM, 2 KB, EEPROM, 1 KB clock speed, 16 MHz. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the Arduino Uno. If you're interested in learning more about electronics and programming, I encourage you to check out the Arduino website and start experimenting with your own projects.